back to another tutorial. Today we're talking about the background, but before to start I want to thank you very much guys for your beautiful comments on Facebook groups. So I need your support on Instagram as Raul_UK08. Thanks for that. If you want to try my art, you can find them on Pinterest as Raul Art. I'm also on TikTok, Raul Art05. And now guys, let's get back to the video. Let's see how to draw a background. Here we go guys. Before to start we need to choose our materials. So we need graphite pencils, and for this time I choose these three types of grades. I choose HB grade, 2B grade and 6B grade. So let's get started. We start with HB grade. The first layer to do is very easy. Just follow my steps. As you can see guys, it's about the layering, and now we draw the first layer using HB. As I promised you guys, if you like my art, I will come back with more tutorials. So I like to teach people how to draw. I have a few advice for you guys as well. Before to start work, sharp your pencils. Always keep them sharp. Try to keep your work clean. And if you want to work like a professional, just change the grade when you need. And of course try to use professional paper for your work. I recommend Strathmore Bristol paper and Canson as well. And I'm working with graphite pencils from Faber-Castell 9000. But in this tutorial guys, not too many suppliers to use, only graphite pencils and soft tissue. I will show you step by step how to do it. Of course we have the reference photo, so we're taking the reference photo when you draw. I'm always layering my work to look more realistic. So if you like my artwork, follow my steps guys, and my tutorials are very easy to learn. This time I'm using Strathmore Bristol paper and Faber-Castell pencil. Hopefully guys you will learn something from my first tutorial. Now you know how to shade blend with graphite pencils, and my technique and my tips is to use cotton buds for effects, and of course Tombow Mono Zero eraser for highlights. Now guys, simple tutorial only for background, because you may doing some portraits and you will need a background on it. As you can see, first layer very easy, moving the pencil very long, and bend the pencil a little bit, and of course don't press with the pencil on the paper. Of course maybe you ask yourself why here is darker and in the middle is lighter. I will tell you later, because this is I'm gonna show you today how to draw realistic background. Of course, easy way. Follow my steps guys and learn how to use the pencils. Of course guys, I'm happy to show and telling you about a few tips, taking like advice before to start work. That happened to me before and I learned it from that. So don't eat when you draw, don't drink, it's very important. And try to don't talk too much with someone when you draw, because you may split your paper and you won't be happy with that. And when you shade with toilet paper or soft tissue, that is not gonna. After you finish the first layer, change the position of the paper using the same grade. You can use this tip of shading, crossing, only for background. If you want to shade a portrait, you can shade like this, small circles, very slowly. So you will take your time to fill all paper. But now it's only about the background. This is HB grade guys, soft tissue, and I will show you how I'm using this. It's about the toilet paper. So now just bend a little bit this side and we start to shade very smooth and round circles. Everything we shade with the pencils. Okay, after get dirty, you will feel like a scratch in the paper, so don't keep going, just turn the other side. And now you can shade the rest of them. Maybe you will ask yourself when I need to change the part of the tissue. Of course, when you feel too much graphite on it. So now we have both dirty, don't worry about that, because we have the other side. We're changing the other side. And voila, we have another one. And we keep going. If you shade with the tissue, don't use too much. Always change with the clean side to not break your art. And now we can go further and we need to change the grade. And for this we choose 2B grade. Again the same procedure. Keep the pencil sharp and bend a little bit in your hand. So I'm looking to cover the paper with the graphite. If you like my art, I'm Raul Art on YouTube. Subscribe on my channel and don't forget about the bell so you can be notified when my video comes up. I started also with a video from YouTube. No college, no extra hours, only YouTube video guys, so you can do it. Be careful with small parts, don't shade over the draw. After second layer guys, use a soft brush to clean it. You may have something on your paper and when you shade with the tissue or toilet paper, you make like a spot or dirty dot. And now we keep going with the same grade, but as you remember, we're changing the direction. I'm using layering technique to don't break the paper. Don't be necessary to press that much with the pencils. Better to change the grade than use only one. It's not necessary to press on the paper. Now guys, the same step with tissue. We need to try to build the same as reference. So again, this side is dirty. We're changing the side. And as you can see, it becomes darker. Again, it's very dirty, so we need to change the side. So now we have, I will show you what's happened with the tissue. We have half of this dirty and half clean. We try to use the other side now. So you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 times with only one tissue. It's very important to change the clean side to keep your drawing clean. And now guys, if you're happy with this, you can let like this. The background is okay, but I will show you to make more interesting. So for this we're using 6B grade. Very light, and I'm going by circles. Also guys, you can change the grade just if you have darker reference photo background. And now we're using soft tissue again to see if we need to come in with graphite or not. The 6B grade should be the last one. And now as you can see guys, we're going same as reference. Very easy to shade background. Remember, you need only graphite pencils and soft tissue to do so. Again, it's very dirty, so we're changing the side with the clean one. And I'm going from outside to inside very slowly to combine the both grades to make like a gradient background. Hopefully you like my video, you like my tips to draw, so I will come in with more tutorial guys. Okay, the same as photo guys, so remember, we need tissue, 3 types of graphite pencils. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you with the next video tutorials and much more. Thank you. Bye bye.